So student, now we'll do algebra standard SSC first chapter linear equation in two variables. Okay, this is the your textbook. Whenever you do the watch the video, please keep textbook in front of you. Page number 1. Then we'll start with practice set 1.1. Okay, so in this you have to find out which is two linear equation in two variables. First of all, you have to understand what is linear equation in two variables. Two variables means a, b, p, q, x, y. These are the two different alphabets. So there are two variables. Okay. So for example, see. So these are the two variables 3x plus 4y 4y is equal to 10. 6m plus 3n is equal to 15. So here there are two variables, okay, m and n, x and y. So these are two variables, and see the degree. X raised to anything means there is no raised to anything, that means 1. For example, x raised to 2, x cube, x raised to 4. So 2, 3, 4 are the degrees, and here no number, that means 1. So no number for that means 1. So for linear equation degree should be 1. It is compulsory, two variables and degree should be 1. Okay, understood? What is 1? So this is 2, 3 and 4, and no raised to number anything, that means 1. So you have to find out this is two variables and linear equation. Yes, you can see m and n are two variables and having degree m raised to 1 and m raised to 1. So two variables with degree 1. Degree 1. Nothing is raised to, that means 1. Okay. See here, x raised to 2. There are two variables x and y, but x raised to 2. So no, it is not a linear equation with two variables. For linear equation degree should be 1. It is compulsory. So x having variable x having degree 2, having degree 2. Okay, x raised to 2. So it is not a linear equation with two variables. In this x and y, see the variable x and y and having degree 1. So yes, we have two variables with degree 1. Here also two variables, but 0x means 0 multiplied by x makes anything 0. So there is only one variable y. This value will become 0. So no. Having variable having only variable y. Okay, having only variable y, because this value will become 0. Here also 0 y, this value will become 0. So 0.3x, no. Or having only variable x. Okay, this value will become 0. In this, x and y are in denominators, so that means they having degree in negative, minus. So this is also no. Having variables having degree minus 1. Variables having degree minus 1. Okay, so the value are in minus. If the if the variables are in denominator, then they having degree in minus. Okay, so no. So what is compulsory for linear equation in two variables? There should be two variables and having degree 1. Okay, not minus 1, not raised to 2, 3, anything, but only two variables and 1 degree 1. In this also, so two variables x, y and y, but here x, y together, that means x having 1 degree, y having 1 degree. So it will become 2. Okay. So this is also no. So variable together, variable x, y 1 and 1 having degree, it will become having degree 2. Okay, for x they are together, x and y. So x having 1 and y having 1 together, then their degree is becoming 2. So this is also not a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so you understand this, which are this and this are only equation in two variable, others are no. Now come to practice set 1.1 on page number 4. On page number 4. Now see. So equation is given 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is linear equation in two variable and this is also linear equation in two variable. We have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. So in textbook, fill in the blanks type, the question is like this. So I have written already this question. We will just fill in the blank, then we'll start the another sum. So equation is given 1 and 2. Let add the equation 1 and 2. Why? Because this plus 3y and minus 3y will be cancelled. So any one variable we have to make same and cancel it. So we will find the another variable and we'll use that value in any equation and then we can find the other variable. So you can understand in the sum. See, why we are adding? Because they are having different sign. Plus 3y and minus 3y, this will cancel. 5x and 2x, 7x, 12 and 9, 21. Okay, so 7x is equal to 21. We are adding this 2. 7 will come down, 21 as it is, and 7 will come here. Okay, multiply will come here to the right hand side, will go and divide. 7 ones are 7, 3 are. Okay, the x is equal to 3. So we have find out the value of x. When we cut y, so we get the value of x. Now place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. This is equation 1. We are substituting the value of x in equation 1. So 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. For 5x, x value is 3. We are writing 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. This is 5 3s are 15, and from left to right it will go to the right side. So minus 15. 5 3s are 15. When it will go to 9, means right side. So minus 15. Okay, plus 15 will become minus 15. Then 9 and minus 15. Plus 9 minus 15 minus 6. And this 3y as it is. Now y is equal to minus 6. And 3 will come down, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, minus 2. So the value of y is minus 2, value of x is 3. So solution xy is 3 and minus 2. Okay. So you have to find like this all other sum also. So now we are doing the sums. Solve second, solve the simultaneous equation. Okay. Second, first sum. Okay, second, first sum we are doing. What is the equation? 3a plus 5e is equal to 26. This is our first equation, and a plus 5e is equal to 22. This is our second equation. Okay, now so in this you can see 5e, 5e plus 5e, both are having a same value 5e and 5e in equation 1 and 2. So we'll try to cancel variable b so that we can find out value of a. Okay, so they are same plus sign, so we have to change the sign of this. So we what we'll do, subtract equation, we'll write again subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, we are subtracting this 2 from 1. Now 3a plus 5e is equal to 26. Write this sign in middle. We are subtracting, add plus 5e 22. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We are subtracting 1 from 2. So all values we have to change the sign of this variables and number. Okay, so this is plus a will become minus, this is plus 5e will become minus, plus 22 will become minus 22. Okay, so this subtract sign we are subtracting, so we are putting in middle this subtract sign, and here we'll change the sign. Okay, so 2a minus a, 3a minus a will give you 2a. This is 3a and this is 1a. 3a minus 1a will give you 2a. Plus 5e and minus 5e will cut, and see now their current sign is this. Okay, don't see this sign. Okay, what they having before. Now their current sign is minus. Okay, you have to change the sign. Okay, if it is plus you have to make minus while subtracting. If it is minus is given, then you have to do it plus. You have to change the sign when we are subtracting equation 2 from 1. So these are all plus, so all will become minus. Okay, now put equal to sign, 26 minus 22, 4. A is equal to 4 and 2 will divide it. Okay, A is equal to 2 1 the 2, 2 the 4. So value of A is 2. Now substitute value of A in equation. Take a simple equation which is very simple to find out. So I am substituting in equation 2. Okay, this is more simple than this equation. In equation 2, now a plus 5b is equal to 22. What is the value of a? 2 plus 5b as it is 22. Now 5b as it is 22 as it is. This from left to right, this is plus, and when it will come to right it will become minus. 5b is equal to 22 minus 2, 20. Now b 20 upon this 5 will go and divide. B is equal to 5 on the 5 4s. Okay, so value of b is 4 and value of a is 2. Solution AB. Solution is, now here the variable is AB. Solution is AB. Therefore is equal to value of A is 2 and value of B is 4. Okay, so what is our solution of this equation in two variable? We get the value A is 2 and B is 4. In each sum we have to find out the variables. Okay, so to find out the variable we have to make one variable equal, cancel that variable, and after getting the variable, other variable, you substitute in the any equation, you will get both the variable. Now we'll do the second sum. See, second sum, what is the equation? X plus 7y is equal to 10. X plus 7y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. And 3x minus 2y is equal to 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is our second equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now in this, either make y value same or value 3 same. So when we will make value 3 same, we have to multiply this equation by 7 and this equation by 2. So it will become 14. Y value will become 14. And one more way you can do, you can make x value same. And it is very simple to make the value of x, because just you have to multiply this equation 1 by 3. Okay. So now multiply, we are making x value same. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Okay. So 3x, 3 7 the 21 or 3 10 the 30. Important thing is to remember that the most important thing, don't just multiply this x with 3. You have to, when you are multiplying one variable, you have to multiply with full equation. Okay. So I have to multiply this full equation by 3 because I want to make this value x 3x. Okay. So I have to multiply full equation by 3. So 3x, 3 7 the 21 and 3 10 the 30. So now my equation is, new equation is this. From 1 I get this equation 3. So now you can see in equation 2 and equation 3, just you have to subtract. Okay. So they are both in plus sign, so they cannot be cancelled. To cancel this, you have to make any one of the equation in minus. So I am doing subtracting equation 2 from 3. Okay. When I am subtracting 2 from 3, so I have to write this equation first. 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. This is our third equation, and this is our second equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is our second equation. Okay. So from first you get equation 3. So now you have to take this 3 and 2. Okay. Because 1 and 3 are same equation, but we have just changed it by multiplying 3. So now this two equation 3 and 2, you have to subtract. Just put the sign in middle and change the sign. In subtract, what you have to do, you have to just change the sign. If it is plus, make it minus. If it is minus, make it plus. So this is plus 3, minus 3, this is minus, then it will become plus, and this is plus, no sign means plus sign, so it will become minus. Now the sign of this variable and this number is in this bracket. Okay, you have to see this bracket. Now plus 3x and minus 3x cancel. Now plus 21 and plus 2y, 23y, 30 minus 7, 23. So y is equal to 23 upon 23. Cancel 23 ones are 23 ones. So value of y is, now we get the value of y 1. Now substitute value of y in equation. See the simple equation, which is the simple one. Equation 1 is the simple. Okay. So equation 1. Now write x plus 7y is equal to 10. Now put the value of y. Y is 1. 7. Y means 7 into 1. That 10. So x plus 7 ones are 7 is equal to 10. 10 as it is, plus 7 will go there, minus 7. 10 minus 7, 3. So now what is the solution? Solution is xy, and that is, what is your value of x? 3, and your value of y is 1. Okay. So this two sum we have finished. Now third sum. Okay. So for third sum, now in third question, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay. And 2x plus y is equal to 30. So equation y is equal to 9 and 2x. So here what we'll do, so they are same value 2x and 2x, just subtract equation 2 from equation 1, because here you can see 2x and 2x value are same, just we have to make the different sign and cancel it, we'll get this value. Okay, so now 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, equation 1, and 2x plus y is equal to 13, equation 2. Now we are subtracting, so we have to change the sign. Plus 2 will become minus 2, plus y will become minus 1, plus 13 will become minus 13. So 2x and minus 2x cancel. This minus 3y and minus y means minus 4y. Okay. Here minus 13 and plus 9 means minus 13 and plus 9 minus 4. Both variables, variable and this number having both side having minus sign. So we'll cancel this sign. So minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 4 upon 4 will come and divide. Now 4 1 the 4 1 the, the value of y is 1. Now substitute value of y in equation, which is simple equation in both 1 or 2. Okay, so equation 2, 2x plus y is equal to 13, equation 2. Now we substitute this value 2x as it is plus value of y is 1 is equal to 13, 2x as it is, 13 as it is, plus y will go right hand side, so minus y, so plus y will become minus y when it will go to right hand side. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 upon 2, so 2 will come in divide, it is in multiply, 2 1 the 2 6 the, so value of x is equal to 6. So solution is xy is equal to value of x is 6 and value of y is 1. Okay, so the value of x and y is 6 and 1. Question number 4. Okay, this is your fourth question. 5 minus 3n, 5 minus 3n is equal to 19. M minus 6n, this is equation 1. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7, equation 2. So we can see, we can see the value of this 5 and m, and this is minus 3 and this is 6 and this is 19 and 7. So just we can multiply this by 2, so we will get 6n, or multiply this 2 equation 2 by 5 we get 5. So now I am doing multiplying, so multiplying equation 2 by 5. Okay, 5 6 is 30n and 5 7 is 35. This is our new equation 3 we get from 2. Okay, now the value of 5m and 5m is same. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract equation, because the sign 5m and 5m are same, so you have to subtract equation 3 from equation 1. Okay, we are subtracting this equation 3 from 1. We have made this equation 3 from 2, so we cannot take 2 and 3. So and see, this equation 1 and 3 having value same 5, but in plus sign, so we have to make it negative, so that's why we are subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. So now I am writing, first I have to write equation 1, 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and this equation 3, 5m minus 30n is equal to minus 35. I am subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. Now subtracting, so put sign in between this sign, middle sign, subtracting. Now you have to change the sign. So plus 5 become minus, minus 30 will become plus, minus 35 will become plus 35. Now this 5 and this minus 5 cancelled. This plus 30n and minus 3n give you 27n. This plus 35 and plus 19 give you how much? Which number? 9 plus 5, 14. 1 carry, 3, 4, 5. 54. Okay. When you plus this 35 and 19, you will get 54. Now n is equal to 54 upon 27. 27 ones are 27 twos are. So n is equal to 2. Now substitute value of n, value of n in equation which is simple equation 2. Okay, you can substitute in any equation 1, 2, 3, value will come same only. Substitute in any equation, no problem. Okay, so avoid this confusion. We can substitute this value in 1, 2 and 3. So value will come same. Okay, so now I'll see equation 2 is little simple. So I am substituting in equation 2, m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. M value as it is minus 6, n value is 2, minus 7, m 6 2s are 12, minus 7, m as it is minus 12 will come here, plus 12, minus 7, m is equal to 12 minus 7, 5. 12 minus 7, 5. Therefore, solution is m, n. Solution is mn. Solution is mn is equal to m is 5 and n is 2. So this is our solution. Now come to question number 5. 4 done. 5. 5x plus 2y is equal to 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Our first equation. Okay. Then x plus 5y is equal to 4. Equation 2. In this you can just multiply equation 2 by 5. So this value will become same. Okay. Multiply equation 2 by 5. So 5x, 5 5s are 25, y, 5 4s are 20. Okay, equation, this is our equation 3. To make this value same, I have multiplied equation 2 by 5. So this equation having bigger number compared to this equation. So keep this equation above and keep this equation down. Okay, for easy calculation and nothing else. So now see this, we get from equation 2 we get 5x, 25 and 20. So now subtract equation 2, subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Okay, so we have to subtract equation 1 from 3. So I am writing this equation 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. This is our equation 3, and equation 1 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, equation 1. Whenever you made any equation from 1 you make 2, equation 3. So then take 2 and 3. you made equation 3 from 2. Now you have to take 1 and 3. Okay. So I am subtracting this. So put the sign minus sign, and here plus 5 will become minus 5, plus 2 will become minus 2, and minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay. So plus 5x minus 5x cut. Then 25 minus 2 gives you 23y, and this 20 plus 3, 23. Y is equal to 23 upon 23. Cancel it. 23 ones are 23. 1. Substitute this value. Substitute value of y in equation, which is a simple equation 2. So x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now x as it is, 5 into y value is 1. So x is as it is, 5 ones are 5 is equal to 4. X as it is, 4 plus 5 will go there, minus 5. X is equal to minus 1. So solution is xy is equal to, x value is minus 1 and y value is 1. Okay. Now question number 6. So 6, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Equation 1. And 2x plus 1 upon 4 y is equal to 11 upon 4. Equation 1, equation 2. So it is a very simple. Just what we have to do. See, we have to remove this denominator 3. So to remove this denominator, we have to multiply this equation 1 by 3, and to remove this denominator 4, we have to multiply equation 2 by 4. So now multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Okay. When you multiply by 3, so what happen? When we multiply this 1 upon 3x by 3, so 3x is left, 3 and 3 cut. Here there is no denominator, so we have to multiply by 3y. So when we multiply this 10 by upon 3 by 3, then 3 cut, only 10 will left. Okay. New equation 3. For example, I am doing this for you just to understand. So plus, this is our equation. Okay. So suppose we multiply by 3. Okay. Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. When we multiply this by 3, so what happened? 3 cut. Only x will left. 3 into y, 3y. 3 cut, 10 left. Okay. So what we have to do? Just we can see if there is 3, so no value will come, only x. There is no denominator, so there is no denominator, then 3y. Then here you have to multiply by 3, only 10 will left. Okay. For example, we have done here. So now you can see, if you are multiplying by 4, 4 2s are 8x, 4 cancel, only y will left, and only 11 will left. Equation 4. Okay. So here the equation 4. Now after removing this denominators, we have to see which value is becoming same. So we can see value y, if we multiply by 3, it will become same, or multiply equation 3 by 8. So here what we are doing, multiplying equation 4, multiply equation 4 by 3. So this we are multiplying by 3, so that y value will become same. So 3 8s are 24x, 3 into y 3y, 3 11s are 33. So this is our new equation 5 we get from equation 4. So again write this equation 1. Now what we have to do? Now the value of same, here you can see plus 3y. We have multiplied this equation by 3 so that y value will become same with 3y. So now what we have to do? So we have to subtract so that the sign can change. So subtract because 3y and 3y having same sign. Subtract equation 5 from equation 3. Okay, now I am writing equation 3. 3x plus 3y is equal to 10, equation 3. Then see equation 5. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33, equation 5. So we am subtracting, so I am writing sign and just change the sign now. Plus 24 become minus 24, plus 3 become minus 3, and minus plus 33 will become minus 33. So this plus x and minus 24x minus 23x plus 3y and minus 3y cancelled, cut. Plus minus 33 and plus 10 gives you minus 23. So minus minus same, both the side minus will cancel, or you can write x is equal to minus 3 upon this minus 23, minus minus cut. See, minus 23 will come here, minus minus cut, 23 ones are 23 ones are. So x value is equal to 1. Now substitute value of x in equation, simple equation, take simple equation 3. Equation 3, okay. So equation 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. So x value is 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y as it is 10 plus 1 will come here minus 1. 3y is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. So y is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 will come down. 3 1 the 3 3 the 9. So what is the value? So what is the value? 3y is equal to 9. So y is 3. Now value of x is, therefore solution is xy is equal to, value of x is 1 and value of y is 3. Okay. Now sum number 7. We'll do 7 sum. Question number 7. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. So this is our equation 1. And equation 2, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Equation 2. And this is a very simple and scoring sum. So please see this sum. Now when the cross numbers are same, now it is very simple to do this sum. Add this equation and subtract this equation. You will get two other equation and then you have to solve it. It is very simple. Now when this cross number, see 99, 99, 101, 101. So add this equation first. So add means 200x, add means 200y, add means 1000. Okay. So you can write here add equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So you can see this, all variables and number can divide by 200. So when we divide by 200, we'll get x, we'll get y. 205. So divide by what? Divide by 200. Okay. So this is your new equation, equation 3. Now again take this equation, one time we have add, now we'll subtract. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is our equation 1. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501, equation 2. This is equation 2. Now subtract this. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. From equation 1. Okay. So when we are subtracting 2 from 1, we'll change the sign. Plus, put up a big sign of minus in middle. Sign minus, minus, and then minus. So this is minus 101 and this is plus 99. That means minus 2x. This is plus 100y and this is minus 99. See this sign with this. Okay. So plus 2y. And this is plus 499. This is minus 501. Minus 2. Okay. So now this 2, 2, 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. What you will get? Minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. Just divide by 2. So this is your equation 4. Now see this equation, we get, after adding we get equation 3. After subtracting we get equation 4. Now x plus y is equal to 5 and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. When we are not changing the sign, so we'll write add equation 3 and equation 4. If we are not changing the sign, if we are changing the sign, then we'll write subtract. So we are not changing because this is plus x and minus x will cut. So no need to change the sign. So when we are changing the sign, we are writing subtract the equation. Okay. So this add now. So big plus sign in middle. Add. So minus x plus x. Y 2y and 5 minus 1 4. In add you have no need to change the sign. And in subtract you have to change the sign of this below equation. Now y is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So value of y is 2. Substitute value of y in simple equation 3. In equation 3. Now equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. Substitute value of y is 2. So x as it is 5, as it is 2 will come here, minus 2, x is equal to 3. So value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. So you get the value of x and y. So when the cross numbers are same, add one time and subtract one time, the equation you get, you have to solve that equation. Okay, then you will get the value of x y very simply. So solution is xy is equal to x is 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay, now sum number 8. So 49x plus 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. This is your equation 1. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Equation 2. Again, you can see this cross numbers are same. Okay, in each sum. So again you have to add equation. Add equation 1 and equation 2. This cross numbers are same. So 16 1 carry 106 x. Okay, 9 and 7 16 1 carry 5 5 10. Again here also same number 106 y, and add this 2 and 2 4 7 and 5 12 1 carry 3 and 4 24. Okay, so divided by 106, so you will get x, you will get y, and you have to just check it in working. So what will be the 106 divided by 424? I think so it will go by 4 table. Okay, see 100 400 and 6 4 the 24. So after cancellation you will get what? 4. If you can't cancel it directly, you can take small number also. So you can cancel it by 2 and 4. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. Then to cancel it by 53, you will get 4. Okay, 53 1s are 53 4. So ultimately after cancellation by 106, you will get what? 4. So divide by 106. So we are dividing all by 106. So this is our new equation. Our new equation is 3. Again one time add and one time subtract. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. This is equation 1. And now 57 x minus 49y is equal to 252. Equation 2. Okay, so you have to divide now. Subtract, divide, subtract. So minus sign, change the sign. When you are subtracting this, change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. No sign means plus sign, and this is plus sign will become minus. I am writing here subtract. One time add, one time subtract. Equation 2 from equation 1. Now, so what will be left? 40, 57 and 49. So minus 8, because plus and minus, from greater number subtract the smaller number and sign of the greater number. Okay, here also minus 57 plus 49, subtract 49 from 57, you will get 8 and sign of the greater number. Okay, here also the greater number is 57. Minus 8x minus 8y and 252 and 172. So when we subtract 252, 172 from 252, 0, 80. Okay, so sign of the greater number minus 80. Okay, now here what is the value? Minus 8x minus 8y and minus 80. Divide all by 8. So minus x minus y or minus 10. Divide by 8. When we divide this by 8, we get minus x. Sign will be as it is. Sign will be as it is. Just divide by 8. Minus x minus y and minus 10. So your new equation is equation 4. This is after subtracting you get this equation. So your equation 1 is this and equation 2 is this. Now you can see this minus x minus y is equal to 4. Write this equation 3. X minus y is equal to 4. Here minus change the sign, what we'll write? We'll write add. So you can see here minus x and plus x is there. So no need to change the sign. Plus x minus x cut. Then minus y minus 2y and minus 10 and plus 4 minus 6. Okay. What we will write? Add equation 3 and equation 4. When there is no need to change the sign, write add. Okay, when we have to change the sign, we have to write subtract. Plus x minus x cut, minus 1y minus 1y minus 2y minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. Now both side minus sign is there, 2y is equal to 6, sign minus minus remove, 6 upon 2, y is equal to 2 1 the 2 3. So here we get the value of y. So this value will substitute in equation, substitute value of y in equation. Which equation? Will see the simple and easy equation. So equation 3. Okay. In equation 3 you can see x minus y is equal to 4. X as it is, minus as it is, y value is 3. Put 3. So x as it is, 4 as it is, minus 3 will come here, plus 3. X is equal to 7. So you will get the value of x 7. So substitute now solution is xy n is equal to, what is x? 7, and the value of y is 3. So we have done this exercise 1 point, practice set 1.1. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel National Classes. Okay, thank you.